Okay, we're going to see how the Dreame L10S Ultra does vacuuming this room and obstacle avoidance. We're going to check its corner cleaning capabilities. Now it does not have a mop pad or a side brush that can extend out to the side. But it's doing a pretty good job of vacuuming. It just is not able to get really close to the corners. There's a bunch of hair. Yeah, that's doing a good job of vacuuming. And it is able to take pictures of the obstacles with that camera on the front. All right, so it was not able to detect that cable. I'll just get it out. We'll see how it does with this Lego toy. Looks like it is going to hit the Lego toy. So now it is recognizing it. It should take a picture of it and avoid it. And in the app, we can see there's the obstacle. It will take a picture of it, and there it is. Now, once it did recognize it, it is avoiding it. And it's going to go back and forth, make the straight lines. It's going to do the perimeter of the room first. So it's doing a really good job of vacuuming. We've got some really fine particles here. Yep, that's doing an excellent job of vacuuming. I don't see many particles left. Just up next to the edge is all. Okay, we can open it up. And here's everything that's in the dust bin. It's going to suck everything out of this dust bin. Yeah, that did a really good job.
Start auto empty.
Okay, here comes the auto empty. So I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.